united in decree. When all Igbo man join as one to agree. When all Igbo man stand strong politically, we forge new paths to end the tyranny. When all Igbo man unite together, we'll see, we'll find new ways to end the misery. Through the night we walk with our heads held high, hear the cries of the youth, them echo to the sky. Heart full of passion, we can't let this die. Them a try hold we down, but we not comply. Rise up, my brethren, time to ignite. Link up the brothers shining so bright. No more oppression, we ready to fight. Lift up the banner, let it light up the night. When all Igbo man gather united in decree. When all Igbo man join as one to agree. When all Igbo man stand strong politically, we'll forge new paths to end the tyranny. When all Igbo man unite together, we'll see, we'll find new ways to end the misery. Mad like a lion, we are roar and we brawl. Them try to divide us, but we stand tall. Rights are we birth right now, we not stall. In unity we strong, let the system fall. Resistance in we blood, we no backing down. Together Igbo man, we taking the crown. Hear the drums a beat, let the truth resound. No more shackles, let our voices abound. When all Igbo man gather united in decree. When all Igbo man join as one to agree. When all Igbo man stand strong politically, we'll forge new paths to end the tyranny. When all Igbo man unite together, we'll see, we'll find new ways to end the misery. Lock hands, my brothers, let's break the chains. No more suffering, release all pains. From the streets to the skies, let the message flow. Together as one, watch the love grow. So when them come with the tricks and the lies, we'll rise up together, see the fire in our eyes. Educate the minds, let the truth arise. Igbo man unite, watch the tyrants demise. Oh, the time is now, we make a stand. Empower the youth, raise the flag of our land. With love and respect, we are build a new plan. Together we thrive, Igbo people, we can. When all Igbo man gather united in decree. When all Igbo man join as one to agree. When all Igbo man stand strong politically, we'll forge new paths to end the tyranny. When all Igbo man unite together, we'll see, we'll find new ways to end the misery. When all Igbo man gather united in decree. When all Igbo man join as one to agree. When all Igbo man stand strong politically, we'll forge new paths to end the tyranny. When all Igbo man unite together, we'll see, we'll find new ways to end the misery. So come my brethren, let the truth ring clear. In unity and strength together we steer. When all Igbo man link, we'll shift the gear. Together in power, we'll make it sincere. Yes, together we rise, together we be. When all Igbo man stand, oh what a sight to see.